Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote support platform, which is AnyDesk and BeyondTrust. So to get started with quick analysis about these two platforms, AnyDesk in 2025 remained a popular remote desktop tool known for its speed, ease of use, and a lightweight setup. It's great for IT support teams, freelancers, and businesses that need fast remote access across different devices. It offers a low latency performance, multi-platform support, Windows and Mac OS together with Linux and mobile. And the basic security features make it a solid option for small to mid-sized business needing a efficient remote access without the complexity. Talking about BeyondTrust, by contrast, is a more enterprise-level remote support platform with a strong focus on security, compliance, and access control. It's picked with advanced features like a section recording roles-based access and an audit log, which are crucial for industries like healthcare, finance, or government. While it's more complex and expensive than AnyDesk, it's designed to meet a strict security standard and scale with a larger organization. So, in conclusion, choose AnyDesk if you need a fast, affordable, and easy-to-use remote tools for basic support, while go with BeyondTrust if your organization requires a top-tier security compliance and control over a remote access. And that's it.